City living at its best. Live where you work. This offering is for two Victorian structures that have been combined to make for a beautiful living opportunity. Many lovely appointments, including hardwood floors throughout, multiple rooms, and a full basement with a walkout ramp. The commercial central business district zoning provides for many different opportunities in downtown Kalamazoo. Located on the corner of Westnedge Avenue and Academy Street, providing ingress/egress from both streets,